We are in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank, and we are ready to taste some recipes made with Washington-grown ingredients. And my tasters are here with me. Chef Laurent Zarate, thank you so much for being here.
Fantastic to be here.
And
thank you.
Co-host Tomas Guzman.
Good to see you again.
Yes, and we love being here at Second Harvest Food Bank. This is their teaching kitchen, which is great because they bring in folks who receive food from the food bank and teach them how to use that food and how to feed their families.
Simple cooking. Here you have a lot of perishable products.
Right.
They don't know what to do with those perishable. So we are here to teach them how to cook simple food, good food for good people.
And it can be hard for a lot of us who are fortunate enough to not have those worries to forget that there are people that need some help.
That are food insecure, And so we're thankful for Second Harvest for what they do and also for allowing us to be in their gorgeous kitchen.
Yes.
And we are talking about Washington-grown food, and that includes hops. Right? It was also fun to see that Washington hops are being used, in Mexican beer.
Yeah.
And also Vietnamese beer. We saw lots of Vietnam cans of beer that said Washington hops or Yakima hops or whatever right on the can.
Exactly.
So. Yes, and we created a recipe, developed a recipe around the final product that is beer. Right?
Beer.
So what a better use of beer than cheddar and beer soup.
And that's a pretty popular
I think it's
recipe.
very popular. I think, besides drinking the beer, the best way to use it would be in a soup.
Yeah, I agree.
And the key is not to boil your soup. All right, otherwise you curdle everything and it's going to be grainy and broken. So very follow the instruction on the recipe that we developed.
Yes, so that's exciting. So let's see how we make it.
Here we go.
We love this.
Look at that.
It
smells like a cheeseburger.
Like a cheeseburger.
Got some bacon in there, some croutons.
It's nice and tangy.
The beer isn't overpowering.
No.
And I think that might be where a lot of people make some mistakes with cooking with beer. They get something that's
too much.
Yeah, they get something like a really hoppy IPA, and they're not careful with it. They put too much of it in there.
Yeah,
what kind of beer do you suggest?
we use an ale, a lager would be fine.
Gotcha.
Use something local, no lie.
Wow, this is rich.
Really good.
Oh yes.
I know a French cook made this.
You don't want to eat a quart of it.
Right.
Just a little bit. This is like the perfect amount. Is it weird that I want a beer with my
I don't
beer
think
cheese
so.
soup?
Garçon, a beer.
Good. Washington beer would taste good right now.
That's delicious, Laurent.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To get the recipe for Chef Laurent Zarate's Cheddar and Beer Soup, visit us at wagrown.com.